Ever thought about how you can transform your garden with items you already have? It's all about repurposing, giving a unique touch to your green space while promoting sustainability. Stay tuned to discover how you can give your garden a makeover with just a few simple steps. The first step is to identify potential items in your house that can be repurposed. Think about old tires gathering dust, broken pots forgotten in the corner, or that unused furniture in the attic. Now that you have your items, let's move on to the fun part. Next, give your imagination a free rein and get creative. Consider those old tires. With a splash of paint, they can become vibrant planters that add a pop of color to your garden. Those broken pots? Don't toss them yet. They can be repurposed into whimsical fairy gardens that bring a touch of magic to your outdoor space. Even that unused furniture gathering dust can be transformed into quaint garden benches. With a little creativity, you can breathe new life into old items. Finally, the placement and arrangement of these repurposed items can make all the difference. Contemplate factors like sunlight, accessibility, and aesthetic allure when positioning your renewed treasures. And voila, your garden now has a unique charm that reflects your personality. Repurposing items for garden decor is a simple and effective way to personalize your space while promoting sustainability. It's a charming way to make your garden unique. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more garden tips and tricks. Happy gardening!